Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call. So if you are in an active call, press the volume up button right here to make sure that your call volume is maxed out. Then what you guys want to do is, of course, change it just by calling somebody, or just try and use a different app. Now, as you guys can see, whenever I go into these settings and I scroll down to sounds and vibration and then click volume, as you guys can see, there's no way to change the call volume right here. So that's why you need to change the call volume while on an active call. Next, what you guys want to do is make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So you go over to connections. Now click on Bluetooth, and here we want to click on this right here. So we're gonna turn it off. As you guys can see, we did that because we want to rule out any connected devices, and we want to make sure that audio is not routed to any other device like headsets, speakers, and anything else. Next, what we want to do is we want to clean the earpiece. So we know that the earpiece is right here. This is the piece where we just put our ear and then we just talk with somebody. This is our speaker. Now, what we want to do is clean it with a soft brush, for an example. So we know that it's right here. Now we want to clean it with a soft brush. If we use something metallic, then it won't work that well, and also you are risking some damage to the earpiece, so we don't want it. We want to make sure that it's just clean. Use a soft brush and then try and test with another call, let's say from the phone app, or if you used the phone app previously, you guys can try another app like WhatsApp. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume down button, and hold them until you see this menu pop up. Tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna reset network settings. So let's go over here. Now let's open up settings, and here we're gonna scroll a bit down until we see the general management. Click here, and what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go over and scroll down to reset. Tap it, and here reset the mobile network settings. Now click reset settings, click reset, and now it's done. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.